Ayurvedic View and Treatment of Eczema by Ayur-Sudha Ayurvedic Center. An Ayurveda eczema is known as PAMA and Bacharchika. This is caused by the faulty dietary habits and lifestyle. Climatory factors, heat, dampness, severe cold, psychological stress may promote eczema. The local factors like dry skin, greasy skin, excessive sweating etc. may predispose to eczema. Due to the above factors, the Pitta dasha, which represents fire in Ayurvedic texts, gets aggravated, and it also vitiates the other dasha and dachu's blood and skin, rakt, mamsa and twacha. These all conditions produces ama, the toxin which manifests in skin, and it goes deep into the body tissues, datus causing eczema. Eczema Cure Ayurvedic Kit. This kit contains 2 to 4 types of Ayurvedic capsules or pills and herbal creams. Price for 1 month eczema cure kit is between $120 to $170 United States dollars, according to the medicines used in different patients, including packaging and postage. For more information and ordering this kit, visit our website www.ayursudha.com or www.worldofherbals.com. Call or WhatsApp at +91 98033566060 or +91 98030393969. 3 type of eczema, or if one can broadly categorize eczema or Bacharchika into 3 types, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, then herbal and dietary treatment is fairly straightforward. It generally works well. It is not hard to see how most skin problems fall easily into these categories. Vata type, the skin tends to be rough, dry, hard, itchy and scaly. There may be associated constipation, wind and distension, anxiety and insomnia. The skin is aggravated by cold, wind, dryness and stress and relieved by the application of oils, especially sesame. Pitta type, the skin is hot and inflamed. It is aggravated by heat and heating foods, exposure to the sun and application of most oils, reflecting a state of heat and toxicity in the body. There tends to be burning, redness, oozing, swelling and infection which can be associated with fever, irritability and feeling of heat. Kapha type, Kapha skin problems are often accompanied by mucus congestion, lethargy and sluggish metabolism. The skin tends to be cold, clammy, sticky, oozing, swollen and itchy, with a pale complexion. It is aggravated by cold, damp, application of oils and eating dairy products and sugar. Eczema is more common in Pitta types as Pitta can overheat the blood, rakta dhatu, and predispose to toxic conditions which are expressed through the skin. Factors causing such skin problems include poor digestion, low INI, toxins in the bowel, ama, incorrect diet, overuse of sour, salty, or pungent tastes, heavy, sweet or oily foods, as well as overuse of cosmetics, perfumes, synthetic creams, etc. Ayur-Sudha's Ayurvedic Eczema Cure Kit. This kit is derived by our Ayurveda experts doctors after a deep research, clinical trials and emulations. The different combinations of herbs in each product helps in reducing the toxins formations in body that could be responsible for the diseases. Traditional and custom formulated Ayurveda products helps in detoxification, i.e. elimination of toxins of the body, improves the functioning of immune system, promotes the production of healthy cells in body, and repairs the damaged areas of skin. This kit helps in many types of eczemas viz. Atopic eczema, seborrheic eczema, discoid eczema, hand eczema, contact dermatitis, neurodermatitis, eczema in children, Peri Oral Dermatitis. It is very essential to have the guidance of well-qualified Ayurvedic doctor who could make exact diagnosis and suggest you proper remedy. Price for 1 month eczema cure kit is between $120 to $170 United States dollars according to the medicines used in different patients, including packaging and postage. For more information and ordering this kit, visit our websites www.ayursudha.com and www.worldofherbals.com. Call or WhatsApp us at +91 to 98,033 56,060 +91 to 98,030 39,369.